Oh, it's a beautiful flower. I've never seen one like this before. It's called a snapdragon. Why would it have a name like that?
Watch this, Willow. When you gently squeeze the sides, the little mouth opens. Open and close. Open and close, just like a tiny dragon.
Oh, it doesn't like a little dragon opening and closing its mouth. That's why it's called a snapdragon. Can you find a snapdragon near you and see if you can make the dragon open and close its mouth?